Hey guys, it's Marley, and today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial. Now, usually I don't wear makeup, but on special occasions or just when I want to be all fun and try something new, I put on a little makeup. So whenever I do put on makeup, this is my simple routine, and it's really pretty and natural looking, so I hope you enjoy. First, we're going to start off with some corrector concealer by Wet n Wild. Now, this is a good brand. And I don't really need it, but I just have it, so I've been told to use that first, so we're gonna do that. And now I'm going to blend. Now that I'm done blending my concealer, I'm going to do a little eyeshadow. My eyeshadow palette is Life is a Party by Makeup Obsession, and it's really neat colors, lots of pinks and natural little neutrals, but this is what it looks like. And first I'm going to go in with the color Sandcastle and just put that on my lids. Now I'm going to put the color Mocha on my creases to give a little depth. That's done, I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to do a little bit of this color Firework on my eyebrow bone. It just makes it look a little bit more defined. And so, okay, that's my eyeshadow look. Really natural and subtle, and I like that. So now I'm going to go in with some mascara. It really completes the eye look. Now I'm going to use some blush by Duralika blusher, and I really like this color because you can use as much of it as you want and it'll still look good. It's really, really light, so you can add a lot and not have your face looking like a tomato. Now I'm just going to add this. My cheeks, oh, dusty. Okay, now for the final step, I'm finished with my face makeup. So I'm just going to add a little bit of lip gloss, and I made this myself from a kit, and it's really pretty. It doesn't really show any color, it just makes your lips shine and when they catch the light. And this is the completed makeup look. Bye, I hope you enjoyed my makeup tutorial. See you next time.